Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Hey, I don't know you, but I know you got tension.
The much awaited birthday of the year. Let us all please welcome Mrs. Naira Omal at 60.
You are loved, you are chosen. Your body isn't broken. For every door that closes, a better one gets opened. You got a light inside, too radiant to hide. If you don't think so, let me change your mind. Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way.
Very supportive siya sa amin. Hindi niya kami pinapabayaan sa lahat ng gusto namin. Lagi siyang nandiyadyaan. Salamat sa iyo, Ma, kasi binigay mo lahat yung best effort mo para itaguyod kaming magkakapatid. Ikaw yung best friend ko. Gusto ko yung maibigay sa iyo yung best of everything. Kasi binigay mo yung best mo para palakihin kaming magkakapatid kahit sobrang yung hirap. Alam mo na yun kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan natin.
Laging maganda, laging sexy, para lagi mo ring makakasama sila Paul, sila Best Paul.
Yun nga sabi nila na pag nag-60 ka daw, ay bonus na daw ng buhay natin. So maging masaya lang tayo, Bing. Huwag ka magpaka-stress. Laging ngumiti.
Happy birthday, Ma! 60 years old ka na. Sana nagustuhan mo tong regalo namin sa'yo na event. Ginagawa namin lahat to para sa'yo, Ma. So, mag-ingat ka na lagi, Ma. Hindi ka na pabata. Yung mga gamot mo, yung mga maintenance mo, mag-ingat ka na sa mga kinakain mo. Huwag na masyadong pasaway. Ang wish ko sa'yo ngayong birthday mo, Ma, is good health. Lagi yan. Long life. At saka more blessings to come.
Happy ako sa lahat ng blessings na nararamdaman niyo po ngayon. And thank you po sa lahat. Thank you kapag every time na wala sila, Mama, ikaw yung nag-aalaga sa amin. Lagi ka rin nasa tabi ng pamilya namin. And ayun, happy 60th birthday.
Wala akong masabi. Siya ang pinakamabait na hipag ko.
Man, I'm counting on a big God. When trouble comes around the way, only remedy for big odds is a big God. Ain't nobody gonna shake my faith. No, I'm not afraid.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for everything. Maraming salamat dahil sinusuporta mo kami sa lahat ng bagay. Thank you.
Cause I know what I've seen him do. I'm counting on a big God that they can't stop. He's a big God, yeah. Yeah, big God.
A wife is gift from heaven. Happy birthday, Wing. I love you.